destination for everything outside the house. Today we are diving into the world of modern lawn landscaping and how you can transform an ordinary patch of green into a stunning high-end sanctuary. What is the meaning of modern lawn landscaping? Modern lawn landscaping is a design approach that emphasizes clean geometric lines, minimalism, structured functional zones, and a seamless balance between natural greenery and hardscape elements. Unlike traditional gardens that focus on dense, uninhibited floral arrangements, modern lawn landscaping focuses on architecture, uncluttered open green spaces, precise edging, and deliberate plant selection to create a polished, orderly, and sophisticated atmosphere. What are the benefits of having a modern lawn landscaping? Having a modern lawn landscape offers numerous advantages for homeowners looking to elevate their property. Beyond instantly boosting your home's curb appeal and market value, modern designs prioritize functional outdoor living spaces that serve as natural extensions of your interior home layout. They are specifically crafted to be low maintenance, utilizing clean edges, hardscape stepping paths, and strategic plantings that reduce the time spent weeding, watering, and trimming. Furthermore, a well-structured modern lawn creates a serene, clutter-free environment that promotes relaxation, provides a versatile space for outdoor entertainment, and fosters a harmonious balance between structured architecture and nature. How do I decorate my modern lawn landscaping to look good? Decorating a modern lawn landscape effectively requires a refined focus on balance, texture, and architectural harmony rather than overwhelming the area with decorative clutter. Start by establishing crisp, defined boundaries between your lush lawn and surrounding garden beds or pathways using concrete, steel, or stone edging. Integrate contrasting materials such as smooth river pebbles, dark basalt gravel, and natural stone slabs to introduce visual depth. Incorporate architectural plants like ornamental grasses, sculpted boxwoods, or sleek palms in raised beds or minimalist planters to add structure without creating chaos. Finally, implement strategic ambient landscape lighting such as warm LED strip lighting under step risers or subtle uplights aimed at key trees to accentuate geometric forms and create an inviting ambience during the evening. What are the best items for modern lawn landscaping? To achieve a polished modern lawn landscape, investing in key structural and functional elements is essential. Oversized rectangular or organic flagstone stepping pavers paired with turf or gravel gaps are absolute must-haves for defining walkways. Built-in concrete retaining walls, sleek wooden horizontal slat fencing, and modern raised planter boxes provide structural depth and privacy. For outdoor enjoyment, incorporate low-profile weatherproof seating, floating wooden decks, or minimalist outdoor fire pits and water features. Additionally, modern low-voltage LED landscape lighting, drought-tolerant architectural plants, and high-quality synthetic or well-manicured natural turf stand out as the ultimate foundation items for any contemporary yard layout. Now let's explore our top 10 best modern lawn landscaping ideas to inspire your next outdoor project. One, S-curved flagstone stepping path with resort-style amenities. This expansive lawn layout features an elegant, S-curved flagstone stepping path that gracefully winds across a perfectly manicured green lawn. The path seamlessly connects an inviting open-air gazebo shelter and a luxurious stone-rimmed swimming pool with a cascading natural rock waterfall to a paved outdoor dining patio, creating a breathtaking resort-style backyard retreat. 2. Modern geometric lawn beds with integrated ambient uplighting. Featuring crisp straight-line lawn edging and perfectly manicured square turf beds, this modern garden design emphasizes structured geometry. Low-voltage ambient warm spotlights highlight pristine topiary boxwood spheres, manicured raised garden borders, and mature trees, illuminating the refined pathways and architectural brick backdrop during twilight hours. 3. Sunken modern lawn courtyard with sculptural focal point. This sunken backyard courtyard centers around a pristine rectangular lawn anchored by a striking teal abstract metal sculpture. Clean gray concrete patio slabs frame the green space, while raised white rendered planter beds filled with sculptural topiary trees, palms, and a built-in outdoor pizza oven create a private, multi-level entertainment haven. 4. Horizontal timber fencing with topiary spheres and linear steppers. Combining warm organic textures with modern precision, this design showcases a rich wooden horizontal slat fence alongside a lush green lawn bordered by linear concrete stepping stones. A neatly manicured border bed filled with dense topiary boxwood spheres, soft purple lavender, and slender olive trees adds a sophisticated Mediterranean modern touch. 5. Asymmetrical concrete slab steppers set in gravel and turf. This contemporary side yard features elongated, staggered concrete paver slabs set flush within lush green lawn turf and dark gray gravel beds. Positioned directly alongside large glass patio doors and a covered dining area, the geometric layout produces a dynamic, high-contrast entry path enhanced by subtle low-profile bollard path lights. 6. Mid-century modern front lawn pathway with integrated step lighting. Highlighting the classic architectural angles of a mid-century home, this front lawn design features wide, clean-cut concrete stepping pavers floating across a vibrant green lawn. Floating concrete entry stairs with integrated warm LED undershelf lighting guide the way past dramatic ornamental grasses and a sleek modern mailbox post. 7. Curved synthetic turf lawn with black gravel and stepping stones. Showcasing a striking contrast of textures, this front entry lawn utilizes a sweeping, curved edge of vivid green synthetic turf paired with dark black basalt crushed gravel beds. Soft white limestone stepping slabs create a clean walkway to the front porch, lined with neat topiary balls, delicate ornamental grasses, and modern timber accents. 8. Low-voltage LED strip lighting bordering elevated garden beds. This contemporary evening sanctuary features brilliant warm LED linear strip lighting running flush along the base of elevated light-colored planter beds. The continuous glow highlights the crisp edge of the perfectly mown green lawn, illuminating lush palm foliage, decorative grasses, and a horizontal wood slat privacy fence. 9. Curved turf lawn edge with warm river pebble borders. Focusing on clean, low-maintenance design, this backyard features a gracefully contoured lawn edge that smoothly transitions into a deeply recessed bed filled with smooth brown river pebbles. Positioned against an elevated wooden deck and floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors, the design creates a seamless indoor-outdoor living flow. 10. Industrial concrete water feature with floating illuminated steps. This sleek modern patio and lawn integration features a board-formed industrial concrete water basin with a cascading waterfall spout. Floating concrete stairs equipped with warm understep lighting lead up to a cozy covered outdoor lounge, surrounded by dark river rock beds, metal-framed patio furniture, and lush green landscaping. Modern lawn landscaping is all about creating a harmonious balance between clean architecture, functional outdoor living, and natural green spaces. Whether you prefer dramatic lighting, geometric pathways, or low-maintenance turf layouts, these ideas prove that your yard can be both breathtaking and practical. Which of these top 10 modern lawn landscaping ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more amazing outdoor home design ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.